Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Operator precedence, grammar resolves shift-reduce conflicts by defining precedence and associativity. This approach assigns numeric or relative priorities to operators and tokens. You will compute precedence relations between terminals using declared priorities and grammar structure. Start by listing all terminals and marking precedence declarations for each operator pair. Then infer relations like less than, equal, or greater than between neighboring terminals in productions. The goal is to create a table that directs parser actions for every terminal pair and compute equal precedence for terminals that appear adjacently in productions. For each production, mark terminals that occur directly side by side as equal. Use first and last terminal sets to infer less than and greater than relations for non-terminal contexts. If a terminal can precede a string beginning with another terminal, record a less than relation. If a terminal can follow a string ending with another terminal, record a greater than relation. Construct a precedence table showing equals, and for every terminal pair for parser lookup and action selection. Verify table consistency and resolve any conflicts before using the table in a parser. Check for cycles and undefined relations that make parsing decisions ambiguous or impossible. Use the table during parsing to choose shift or reduce when encountering terminal pairs on the stack and input. When the stack terminal has lower precedence, shift the input terminal onto the stack. When it has higher precedence, reduce using the matching production. Operator precedence parsing rejects grammars that produce undefined or cyclic relations to ensure
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.